Classification of quantitative techniques. We have many quantitative techniques in modern times. They can broadly be put under two categories: statistical techniques, programming techniques. Statistical techniques, these techniques are used in conducting the statistical inquiry concerning a certain phenomenon. They are including all the statistical methods beginning from the collection of data till the task of interpretation of the collected data. More clearly, the methods of collection of statistical data, the technique of classification and tabulation of the collected data, the calculation of various statistical measures such as mean, standard deviation, coefficient of correlation, etc. The techniques of analysis and interpretation, and finally the task of deriving inference and judging their reliability are some of the important statistical techniques. Statistical techniques also help in correlation too. Correlation is a statistical technique that can show whether and how strongly pairs of variables are related. For example, highest and weight are related. Taller people tend to be heavier than shorter people. The relationship is not perfect. People of the same height vary in weight, and you can easily think of two people you know whether the shorter one is heavier than the taller one. Nonetheless, the average weight of people 5 feet 5 inch is less than the average weight of people 5 feet 6 inch, and their average weight is less than that of people 5 feet 7 inch, etc. Correlation can tell you just how much of the variation in people's weights is related to their heights. Although this correlation is very obvious, your data may contain unsuspected correlations. You may also suspect there are correlations but don't know which are the strongest. An intelligent correlation analysis can lead to a greater understanding of your data. There are several different correlation techniques. The survey systems optional statistics module includes the most common type, called the Pearson of or product moment correlation. The module also includes a variation on this type called partial correlation. The latter is useful when you want to look at the relationship between two variables while removing the effect of one or two other variables. Like all statistical techniques, correlation is only appropriate for certain kinds of data. Correlation works for quantifiable data in which numbers are meaningful, usually quantities of some sort. It cannot be used for purely categorical data such as gender, brands purchased, or favorite color.